Republic now has accessed the FIR copy of the blast that occurred inside the Crime Investigation Agency's office in Punjab's Navanshahar on the intervening night between Sunday and Monday. Now, the FIR reveals negligence of the police deployed at the CIA office. The FIR also says that while the blast was reported at 11:55 p.m. on the 7th of November, investigation in the case was started by senior police officials only the next morning. The investigation also seems to point at the fact that this was a low-intensity Chinese grenade that was lobbed at the office, this after a gap of almost 4 hours. So, we are, of course, getting more details of this FIR that has been lodged in the blast that occurred outside the CIA's office in Punjab's Navanshahar. Now, visuals you see on your screen right now are of a copy of that FIR. The FIR also says that the blast was reported at 11:55 p.m. on 7th November, but investigation was only started the next morning. Let's go across to Amandeep, who's reporting live on this. Good morning, Amandeep. Give us more details of what the FIR essentially points towards.
Well, Nupur, the point is, when this incident happened, when the grenade was lobbed inside the CIA police station in Navanshahar, around 7 police personnel were present inside. And in fact, 2 were on the duty guard and 5 were reportedly present inside the police station just because they have their night duty. But all of a sudden at 11:55 p.m. blast sounds came out and they all rushed towards the outside just because that grenade was lobbed in a lawn area where the water cooler was reportedly spotted. And in fact that grenade, by the impact of that grenade and the blast, the water cooler all of a sudden blasted and dropped from its position, and all the cops immediately rushed to the spot and they thought it was just a gas blast of water cooler, nothing else. And look at the seriousness of the cops. They have not informed their senior police officials during midnight that there is a blast inside the Crime Investigating Agency police station. By next morning, when all of them were having a cup of tea and they rechecked the spot, they found splinters in the walls. They found that there are certain window panes that has been broken by the impact of the blast. Then they took it seriously. Then they started informing senior police officials. And even all of a sudden, senior police officials, along with the forensic team, all the teams rushed to the spot to investigate the matter. Look at the seriousness. With the gap of around 4 hours, how the police will be able to identify the people who are behind this conspiracy. And during the investigation, it revealed that this was not a normal blast. It was a low-intensity Chinese grenade that was lobbed inside the police station, even not outside there. That blast was reported inside the premises of police station. No security for the police station, and even how the police can make people secure of Punjab. So the non-seriousness clearly indicates that police is not going to get any person in this case. If they are not able to identify that how the blast is seriously and how the police should act on this.
All right.
So how can a person expect that police can find out the people who are behind this conspiracy who lobbed the grenade inside the police station? It is a big question on the police investigation. Yes, Nupur.
All right. Amandeep bringing us those details on the FIR that has been filed in the blast at the CIA's office. Thank you.